Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to show you how to make perfect vanilla cupcakes.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Heather and I am the recipe creator and cookbook author at bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others just how simple baking from scratch can be. Today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you how to make perfect vanilla cupcakes. These come out light and fluffy and they're just a perfect blank canvas for whatever frosting your heart desires. And let's get started. Let's make my vanilla cupcakes.
Sift together 3 cups of cake flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Simply sift that all together and then set it aside. Then cream together 2 sticks or 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter until it's light and creamy. Then add in your granulated sugar, 1/4 cup at a time, mixing for 1 minute after each addition. Then add in your room temperature eggs 1 at a time, beating well to combine after each addition. You want to make sure that you're using room temperature eggs, otherwise it could cause your butter to solidify and for your batter to break. I place mine in a bowl of warm water for 10 minutes before I start. Next, add in 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Then go ahead and alternate adding your dry ingredients with your buttermilk. Start with the dry ingredients and end with the dry ingredients. This is going to ensure that we do not overmix our batter. Once you've added the last of your dry ingredients, go ahead and scoop your cupcake batter into your muffin tins. Bake them at 350 for about 18 to 20 minutes until the tops are golden brown and they spring back lightly when you touch the top of the cupcakes, and then let them cool before frosting. I frosted these vanilla cupcakes with my vanilla buttercream frosting, but really you can use any frosting you like. And then I always, of course, like to finish off with just a few sprinkles. And there you go. That is how to make my perfect vanilla cupcakes.
If you made this recipe, I would love it if you let me know in the comment section below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you love this recipe and I'll see you next time.